Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my go-to fall makeup look. So I'm going to start off by tying my hair up just to get it out of the way. And then I'm going to start off with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And then next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. I love this palette so much. It is my ultimate favorite palette at this moment. So I'm going to use the color Weekender and Buff, and I'm just going to blend that right into the crease of my eyes. I'm just taking that color Buff and I'm just really focusing it on the outer corners of my eyes just to kind of deepen it a little bit, only on the outer corners. Now I'm just switching brushes just to get a clean blending brush and just blending everything out just so that there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm just going back in with that same brush I was using and I'm blending a little bit more of Buff in, but then I'm gonna be switching over to the color Baja in this palette, and it's just a really pretty orange color. It's like a deep orange, and I think it's perfect for fall. I actually forgot to show it to you guys, but I will be showing it to you here shortly. So that's what I'm just blending into the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just blending it into my crease. You got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went home. Next, I'm going in with the color Good As Gone in this palette, and it's just a really pretty deep brown. And I'm just once again focusing this on the outer corners of my eyes and just slowly blending it into my crease. I'm focusing this more on the outer corner of my eyes just because this is where I want a deeper look. If you guys haven't noticed already, I love going back and forth when I'm doing my makeup. It's just, that's how I like to do my makeup, because it just keeps things even that way for me. I have to just go back and forth as I'm doing it. It's just, again, what's comfortable for me. So now I'm just grabbing, again, my clean blending brush and just blending everything out so that there aren't any harsh lines. So next, I'm going in with the color Breakaway, and this is just a really pretty, like, champagne type of color, and I'm just going to focus this on my eyelids, and then I'm also going to apply this on my brow bone. Comes back to life. Your lips press against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Using this beauty blender that I got from Target, and it's just one of their Up and Up brand ones. I actually didn't like this one that much, and I actually have to go wet it first, but now that I have it nice and wet, I'm going to be using the Super Stay by Maybelline. It's the 24-hour foundation, and like I said, I actually picked up this beauty blender from Target, and it's from their Up and Up brand, and I just don't like it. It's just, I don't know, it was good to apply the foundation, but I just didn't like how hard and thick it was after I got it all wet. I will say though, I was very pleased and surprised with how well this foundation works. It does claim to be a full coverage foundation, and I feel like it is definitely a nice full coverage foundation, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin or anything. So I was really surprised, and I'm really happy with this foundation at the moment. Every single feeling comes back to me. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is just a staple. You guys know this is one of my favorites, and I feel like I'm never gonna stop using this unless I buy something better, and it's probably gonna be like a high-end concealer, but this is just my ultimate drugstore favorite concealer. You know, what if I never let you go? Next, I'm using my Airspun Loose Face Powder. I actually really like this one. It's in the color, I think, Translucent. I actually don't have it in front of me right now, but it's in a I know it's like extra translucent or something, like extra coverage or something like that. I actually bought this at Walgreens and I really like this. It's a huge tub of loose powder for like $6 or $8 or something like that, but it's really good and I like how it feels on my skin. Once I'm done just cleaning off any excess powder, I'm going in with Princess Cut from my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. This is just my favorite bronzer. It looks so natural on the skin and it's so easy to blend. I love this bronzer.
You smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go?
Next, I'm using my Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit, and this is the color Unstoppable. I've mentioned this to you guys and in a recent video that this is just one of my favorite blushes, and it continues to be one of my favorites, and I've had this blush kit for months now and I just love it. Once again, I'm just using a dual fiber brush from Luxie just to blend everything out and make sure that there is nothing excess left over on my skin. And next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Heart Defensor highlighter, and this one's in Coffee and Cream. I love this one so much. They still sell it, so if you guys have not gotten it, get yours, because I have this one and a backup one for when I run out, and I'm just using this to apply on the bridge of my nose and around my cheeks.
Every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place.
So next, because I have severe dry lips, I'm going to go in with Aquaphor Lip Repair. I just love this thing so much. I always apply it underneath my lipsticks or any lip products that I apply, and it just helps keep my lips nice and moisturized. And then now I'm going to go in with my Cella Taupe brow cream, and this just makes my brows look really natural, so I really like it. Next, I'm going in with my favorite mascara, and it's the Tarte Tartiest mascara. I love this. Every time I wear it, I always get complimented on how full and voluminous my eyelashes look, and I just really like how easy it is to apply. Now I'm going to go in with L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. I like to use this one specifically for my lower lashes just because it gives me a nice control. The brush on this mascara is very thin, so it just gives me control on how much I apply and not making a mess, because I can tend to make a big mess.
From the moment that I saw you, I knew that.
And finally, I'm going to use my favorite setting spray, and it's the Make It Last by Milani. I love this one so much, and it smells so good.
Alright guys, so that is it for this quick get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just my go-to fall look. So I hope it was easy and that I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a like if you did like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.